In this video, I'm going to explain about shallow copy and deep copy. Shallow copy and deep copy in JavaScript. So what is a shallow copy and a deep copy? First, I will write the explain the definition, what it is, then explain with an example. So if I write object that is const original is equal to a one b c. Shallow copy and deep copy for the given object or for any object, it creates, as the name says, copy. So it creates a copy of the original object, but with some differences. The way they copy is not the same. Shallow copy creates create copies this object, but for top level object parameters like this, it creates a new in the basically creates a duplicate for this, and for the nested objects it points to the same object. So points to the same reference object parameter. Like for example, if I write let a is equal to 20. So what happens when we write let a is equal to 20? In memory, uh, one block is assigned to for a, where 20 is assigned. 20 is assigned in the memory box, that is a value, and a a is pointing to 20. Sorry, a is pointing to 20. So it is saying that in shallow copy, whichever there are nested objects, it no, sorry, object parameters which are not nested, they will create a new memory box. So for A, when we create a copy, a new memory box is allotted. But for B, because this is a nested object, so new memory box will not be allotted. It will point a reference to this same original. That implies that if we make change to this top level object parameters, then it will change in shallow copy, but it will not change in object because they are different. This is in different box, and for shallow copy it is in different box. But when I make changes in shallow copy nested object parameter, so in original also it will change. I will explain that with an example. Yes, for nested, when shallow copy changes, the original also changes. But it is not same for deep copy. For deep copy, everything is duplicated, whether it is nested or non-nested. So everything is duplicated, and new memory uh, blocks are assigned to this. So that means that whatever change you make in deep copy, it has no effect on the original. So I will write first shallow const shallow copy is equal to spread operator original shallow copy dot a is equal to 10. And now if I write console dot log shallow copy, and if I write here console dot log original, now if I run it, run the code, here I have changed a value of a here, but in original it is the same. So I will write here console dot log after changing the top level parameter in original. Okay, and now if I write the same for the nested object, If I write the same after changing the nested parameter in original. So if I write dot b dot c is equal to, if I do 20 original and shallow copy. So when I have changed the value of nested, so original c is also getting changed, but not same for this e. Here it remains unchanged. Now if I write the same for deep copy, deep copy. If I write here structured clone original after changing top level parameter in original after changing nested on okay. If I copy it, control A, control V, if I do it 40, 44, 44, and then 33. Now balancing. Here, at this stage, the value of original has become this. That is, A is 1 and C is 20. So A is 1, C is 20. A is 1, C is 20. So original is not changing, but these new changes are making changes. So when I make change in the top level parameter, that is A. So I made it 20, 33, so it is showing change in 33, but not showing any change. This is unchanged. And the same for this P dot C, that means this value is changed. So this has become 44 and 33, but this has still no change. That is that is what separates deep copy from the shallow copy. Shallow copy, when I made changes in A, there was no no change in the original. So A I made it 10, but original remains same. But when I made this 20, when I changed this, so this value also changed because this is the reference pointing to the original, not the duplicate. These are all the differences of this shallow copy and deep copy. This is defined using spread operator, spread operator uh, created using spread operator. Here we can write created using structured clone. This is used when we need to create a completely new duplicate from the original, and the original remains unaffected or unchanged. But this is defined when we need to, so that the nested parameter is pointing to the original same reference. I think I've covered all the points. Yes, thank you.